Hello, passengers. Will you all please take a seat? Earth is a prosperous planet, cradle of civilization. But for many, it's also overpopulated, overpriced, overrated.
I'm sorry, I think I may be in
Hold
the
all
wrong...
questions till the end, please. Way of
Where
life.
are all the other...
And there's no colony, morals.
Where is everybody?
We are all on the starship Avalon.
But I'm the only one here.
There are 5,000 passengers and 258 crew members.
So why am I alone?
We're all in this together.
Anybody here?